Today we are finally making our way to the backcountry. And you can tell the excitement that we have to finally be back there. I had a very specific image in my mind before going to the backcountry. I really wanted a nice quiet lake just for myself, just to breathe, just to relax. And I found exactly what I needed. There's a moose in the bush over there. It was in the road where we drove. Let's see. It's a moose, kitty. Don't go see the moose. We're gonna leave him alone. It might be my little spot for today. Let's check it out. A little fireplace. Awesome! And an even small little deck. I'm not sure if I'm gonna walk on it. I think that's gonna be a winner. It's pretty cool. I have my own lake. I don't see anybody. That's pretty cool. I've been wanting to be beside the lake and quiet in nature. You walk the bridge like this, no problem, eh? Me, that's the limit that I went. I didn't go that far, kitty. You're brave. You're a brave little cat. It is quite cold, so I'm gonna have to make a campfire pretty fast today because it's supposed to get like close to freezing point, believe it or not, guys, tonight I think. And today doesn't look like it's gonna be more than 10 degrees or something close to that because it's quite chilly this morning. It's all good. It's all good. I like this type of weather when you can just like not worry. If I'm cold, I can start my heater, I can start a fireplace, I can just bundle up, no problem. It's when it's too hot, it's just miserable. Alright, let's try to find that trail, Caddy. I think the trail go over there. Let's go. And today is the first day of fall today. So it started, the leaves slowly start to change color. We should have a nice, in Ontario, especially in northern Ontario, they do have a nice beautiful like change of scenery between the summer and the fall. All the leaves turn like beautiful color. A little bit the same thing in Quebec, but I heard a really nice thing in Ontario too. So I'm looking forward for that. It's slowly starting right now. I think another week or maybe two, it's gonna be full color changing. All beautiful red and almost like purple and yellow and all the color in between. Yeah, should be beautiful. for a warm cup of tea. I'm using a fire starter because I do have shoulder problem and I have hard time to chop the wood today. So give myself a little bit of help. And the ground is like really wet because we had a lot of rain. So I'm still gonna chop a little bit more wood, but I don't want to go too crazy. The wind definitely helped me, but this axe is, yeah, it's not sharp anymore at all. About this light weight axe, thinking that would be good for my shoulder, but I have no, like, I have to put so much weight and so much strength for it. I'm gonna have to buy something better than this, but yeah, we're making a fire. I'm just gonna have to keep an eye on it. Good thing it's windy though a little bit. Kind of helped me. Alright, well this is burning. I'm gonna go prep a couple of things inside. I left my tripod outside, so we're gonna have to do it the way. Alright, so I marinate some vegetable with soy sauce, maple syrup, and a little bit of onion powder. I thought I would eat that with some tofu. But I realized that my tofu was expired. So no tofu, that's okay. And for right now, because this is not gonna take so much time, I just wanted to mix everything. I'm gonna roast a garlic because I really love it and it's been a while. So what I do, I just chop the end, put some oil and wrap that in folding paper. I'm gonna put that on the fire, and this is not gonna take so much time. I think I'm gonna eat that with some rice. I do have a little bit of salad too, so yeah, we'll see what I'm gonna do. I could make a wrap, could make so many things. It's so good. All right. There you go. You can put some salt and pepper, and that's gonna go to the fire. I came inside to prep everything and it started raining. Oh no, I was just about to eat. I'm hungry. Alright, so I'm just gonna have like rice and my roasted vegetable So right now they are marinade, and I throw the rest of the marinade into the rice, and it's super good. So I use those like already cooked rice. It's just faster. It's really raining. Oh no. What are we doing? We wait? Alright, it's raining a lot. I'm gonna have to go grab a couple of things there outside. Alright, so the rain stopped. I don't know for how long, so I'm just gonna start cooking right away. So I have my rice with a little bit of oil here, and I'm gonna put those vegetables on the grill. Something around this, I guess. There you go. Shouldn't be too long. Ugh. Smells good. So this is the roasted garlic, really soft, a little bit burnt on that side. It's okay. So I'm gonna put that in a dish, and like I said, it's not gonna taste garlic, it's gonna taste sweet. Alright, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put that in a plate. It smells so good, guys. I should have tied my hair better. There you go, guys. Can we see? Focus, guys. They look very yummy. I'm curious to see if everything, if the vegetable are roasted properly. I didn't want to do the Dutch oven today because it's cold, and I knew I would need like a super low fire. To be quite honest, I just wanted something simple. This is so good, guys. Alright, now let's clean. I just rinsed the cast iron in the lake. I'm gonna go inside and clean all this. I'm all dirty. Alright, let's try to clean this. I don't know why I didn't tie my hair today. I've just been lazy. It's been great to be back in the backcountry because I've been really wanted to do that for a while, and the weather was not perfect, was too hot and all this, which is great to be back and making campfire. But hello kitty, but I don't have any cell service. I do have one bar, so I can get a text, but I cannot look at my emails or my YouTube stuff, and I've been struggling a little bit today. It's great though, but it's been challenging. I posted a video today, so I scheduled the video, so it's live for past several hours now, and I have no idea if everything is good. I hope so. I hope I didn't say anything stupid and people were like, why you say that? And like, you know. Or I like to go, after I make the video, I like to go back and read the comments and just, you know, like heart a couple or answer a couple of questions, but not today. So hopefully everything is good. It's gonna be for tomorrow, but yeah, only little downfall, which maybe it's a good thing, you know, maybe it's forced me, we are very addicted to this thing, yeah. Especially when you do YouTube stuff and even without doing anything online. We are very addicted to this, and yeah, I've been struggling a little bit today, but it's okay. It's okay. That's gonna be for tomorrow. Alright guys, I think I'm just gonna go enjoy a little bit more of the campfire and chill for the rest of the evening inside the van. I hope you enjoy our first backcountry of this whole summer almost. We had a little one in Quebec at one point, but yeah, I've been missing the backcountry, but we are back. The season is back. When it gets colder now, we don't have any fire ban. We are able to go in the backcountry and nobody is there, which is awesome. Because most of the time in the summer, all those spots are taken already. So we are back in the backcountry. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you with Kitty, and I hope you enjoy. You having a good day, you? You want to go back outside? I know you. We're gonna go a little bit more. You wanna give a kiss before we do? That's you cute. Oh, are you mad? Are you mad? You just wanna go outside. I know you. I know you. Yeah, we are going. Alright guys, we're gonna go back to the fire. You could kiss them a little bit, Kitty. Oh, there you go. That's a lot of love. Thank you. Yeah, we're going back there.